In this session, we will discuss about the Fast Local Internet Protocol, also called as the FLIP protocol. Now, Amoeba uses a custom protocol called as FLIP for actual message transmission. This protocol handles both RPC and group communication. Let us understand why FLIP was designed. After all, there are plenty of existing protocols. Now this table over here lists the principal requirements that a protocol for a distributed system should ever meet. First, the protocol must support both RPC and group communication efficiently. A characteristic that is increasingly important is support for process migration. A process should be able to move from one machine to another, even to one in different network with nobody noticing. The next is security. Security is also an issue, although the get ports and put ports provide security for Amoeba. A security mechanism should also be present in the packet protocol, so it can be used with operating systems that do not have cryptographically secure addresses. Another point on which most existing protocols score badly is network management. It should not be necessary to have elaborate configuration tables telling which network is connected to which other network. And finally, the protocol should work on both local and wide area networks. So these are the protocols that are required for a distributed system. Now let's have a look at the FLIP interface. A typical FLIP interface config is shown in this figure. Here we have 5 machines, 2 on Ethernet, that is this one and this one, and 4 on a token ring. Each machine has one user process, that is A, B, C, D and E. One of the machine is connected to both the networks and such functions automatically as a gateway. So this one is connected on both the networks. It is on Ethernet also and on token ring also. So it works as a gateway. Gateway may also run clients and servers just like any other node. Now the kernel contains 2 layers. The top layer handles calls from user process for RPC or group communication, and the bottom layer handles the FLIP protocol. For example, when a client calls the trans function, it traps to the kernel. The RPC layer examines the header and buffer, builds a message from them and passes the message down to the FLIP layer for transmission. All low-level communication in Amoeba is based on FLIP addresses. Each process has exactly one FLIP address, which is a 64-bit random number chosen by the system when the process is created. If the process ever migrates, it takes its FLIP address with it. If the network is ever reconfigured so that all machines are assigned new hardware address or network addresses, the FLIP address still remains unchanged. It is the fact that a FLIP address uniquely identifies a process and not a machine. Now that makes communication in Amoeba insensitive to change in network topology and network addressing. Now let's discuss about the FLIP address. A FLIP address is really two addresses, a public address and a private address, related by this, where DES stands for Data Encryption Standard. To compute the public address from the private one, the private address is used as a DES key to encrypt the 64-bit block of zeros. So given a public address, finding the corresponding private address is computationally infeasible. Servers will listen to private address, but clients send to public addresses, analogous to a way put ports and get ports work, but at a lower level. The interface between the flip layer and the RPC layer has 9 primitives. 7 are for outgoing traffic and 2 are for incoming traffic. All those 9 calls are listed in this table. The first one, init, allows the RPC layer to allocate a table slot and initialize it with pointers to 2 procedures. These procedures are the ones called when normal or undeliverable packets arrive. The second one, that is end, deallocates the slot when the machine is being shut down. Register is invoked to announce a process flip address to the flip layer. It is called when the process starts up. The flip layer immediately runs the private address offered to it through the DES function and stores the public address in its table. If an incoming packet is addressed to the public flip addresses, it will be passed to the RPC layer for delivery. The unregister call removes an entry from the flip layer table. The next 3 calls, that is unicast, multicast and broadcast, are for sending point-to-point messages. But none of this guarantee delivery. To make RPC reliable, acknowledgements are used. To make group communication reliable, even in the face of lost packets, the sequencer protocol discussed in the previous sessions is used. And the last 2 calls, that is receive and not deliver. The first one is for messages originating elsewhere and directed to this machine. The second one is for messages sent by this machine but sent back as undeliverable. Although flip interface is intended primarily for use by the RPC and broadcast layers within the kernel, it is also visible to user process in case they have a special need for raw communication.